you doing, sister? Teaching Baba? Uh-oh. No, Megan. See what you've been teaching Baba? Matthew's 8 months. He's gonna be 9 months at the end of this month of May. And Megan's gonna be 22 on the 22 months in the 21st of this month of May. 2012. Yeah. Always copy CC.